Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2016 BMW 4 Series. So from any screen, you've got your iDrive here, and you've got media, menu, map, and nav. If you just want map, which I drive quite a lot of the time with that on, just so as I can see any bends coming up if I'm unfamiliar with the road, but you've got nav there. So if you click on nav, quick search, home address, recent destinations, address input. So it's giving me the options there. You can either say address, which would be the easy way, or input it. So I'll show you how to input it. Here we go. You've got United Kingdom, town, and the road. So if I go to where this should be city or postcode, and again I can voice input, but quite often it doesn't recognize my voice at all, and it always gets it wrong. So I prefer to do it with Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. Now we need to get to numbers. There's nothing around the outside, but if you get it to there where it says more characters, click, and then it comes to numbers. So 5, 4, it defaults back to letters. Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR 54JS. The rotary control's easier to use, and then it's got OK in the middle, so we click OK. It's asking me for a street, but I don't really want to do that, or I can just start route guidance. Click on start route guidance, PR5 4JS, Wantleydale, click on that, start route guidance again. Got to tell it twice.
The road for 1 mile.
But that's it, and it's a great screen, the wide screen. I think also, let me just see, if I knock it over to the side, yeah, if I knock it over to the side there, you can have it on split screen, and it's telling you your next turn. If I click on there, hang on, let me just do that again, back, click across there. By scrolling this, you can have position, arrow view, the sat nav again. Let's just go split screen. We'll select split screen, and we can just change it. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 BMW 4 Series. So from any screen, you can either click there, it just says com, or you can go, if we go back, you can go into menu and then select communications there, click on communications, and you've got contacts, recent calls, dial number. It's not immediately obvious, but if you scroll down to manage mobile devices, click on manage mobile devices, then you've got the choice of connect new device, or you'll see my phone there, Barry's iPhone 11, or settings. Onto my phone, you can see you get another menu on the right hand side. If I click across there onto the other menu, and then you've got disconnect device or delete device, Bluetooth audio apps. If you're having trouble streaming, just go over here as if you're going to delete it, and just make sure there's a tick next to Bluetooth audio. So we can either disconnect device and then put somebody else's phone on if you're listening to music, or delete device there. So delete device, that's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 BMW 4 Series. First of all, we have to make sure that Bluetooth is on your phone, and then we're looking out at the bottom here, but you've got communication there, com button, or you can go to options, just get back to the menu. We'll made it rather awkward here. Get back to the menu, there you go, back to the menu. So, and then you've got communications, the second one. Click communications, scroll down to manage mobile devices, click on manage mobile devices, and you've got connect new device there. You see hands-free there. I'm not sure whether that was just a car going past, which is quite possible, but we'll click connect new device. And you've got telephone and Bluetooth audio and apps, but for the moment telephone. There we go, it's come up, BMW 20533. Please use your Bluetooth device to start a search for Bluetooth devices. The vehicle will identify itself as BMW 20533. So click on that. Click pair. Click OK. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. I think you'll find, yeah, that's connected there to the phone. I'm just waiting for the phone to connect to the system, and there it is, it's showing Barry's iPhone 11. Another good thing with this system, I'll just show you how to stream audio. If you go to your iTunes or whatever it is you're using, you'll see their BMW at the bottom. If we just click that, BMW 20533, so that's this car, there's a tick next to it. Whatever I play through this, as soon as I set the media over here, this will play through the BMW's media system. So, media switch is here, top left, we'll click there, and you can see there it's already on Days Like These. But if I click that a couple of times, if I click back, you see there sometimes you've got a couple of choices. If it's not on that already, then you may be on FM, so you've got to click media and then scroll down there, Barry's iPhone. But now, which I've never noticed before, you've also got choice of Amazon Music, Audible or Spotify if you've got it on your phone. So we'll click Barry's iPhone 11. On Days Like These playing, we'll turn that up there. As I say, this vehicle's got Harman Kardon speakers, but now I'll turn it up on my phone. You see. I wonder what became of you. I can't play it too long, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike. But it's a really, really good sound system in this car. If you enjoy music, it's fantastic. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.